What's going on, everybody? This is Cody, the home theater hobbyist, and today I have a subwoofer unboxing for you from Earthquake Sound. Now, Earthquake Sound is a California-based speaker company, but they basically sell all the audio products we need for our home, including speakers, amplifiers, subwoofers, tactile transducers, accessories. They even sell car audio products. So I'll put some links in the description below so you can check out some of their products. If you want to purchase them, please use those links because they do help support the channel. Now, I wasn't familiar with Earthquake Sound. A few of you in the comment section actually put me onto them, and I reached out. They sent me this review unit. This is the MiniMe DSP P12. It's a 12-inch sealed subwoofer, and it has DSP built in, or digital signal processing. So if you use the iWoofer app, which you can get for your phone, I've already gotten it actually, you can use it to basically tune the subwoofer to your room, which is really cool, and I'm looking forward to doing that. But before I do that, obviously I got to get it out of the box. Now, as you can see here, the box itself is basically brown, as a box should be, and it's got Earthquake Sound along with the name on each one of the panels. So if somebody sees this on your porch, they can Google it and find out what it is, but it doesn't have any speakers or anything like that on it. Now, the good news is this thing weighs like 50 pounds, so they won't pick it up and run off with it, but you know, you should be able to see them if they're running, right? This is pretty big, but it weighs 50 pounds. So if you do need help carrying something that weighs 50 pounds into your home, definitely make sure you get some help. I was able to bring this up the stairs without any assistance, which is good. But again, it is 50 pounds. It is a little bit dense, so that's not a bad thing. It's a subwoofer. But otherwise, that's pretty much all I have to say about the box. I really want to get into this because, like I said, I've already got the iWoofer app downloaded, so I really want to try that out. But let's go ahead and let's see how Earthquake is packing their subwoofers. So we have a box within a box. They give you white gloves, remote, maybe some sort of remote receiver. Power cable. These gloves are fairly nice, I gotta give it to them. But as you guys know, I typically have my own. The MiniMe DSP P12 is a 12-inch subwoofer with dual drivers, one active and one passive driver. It has a Class D amplifier that outputs up to 600 watts of power. It has a frequency response from 18 Hz to 115 Hz. It is 15.25 inches tall, 15 inches wide, and 17.25 inches deep. It has an MSRP of $1,399. So here I am with the MiniMe DSP P12. First things first, this is a piano black surface finish, so it's all glossy and shiny. They give you white gloves to protect the surface finish, which I like, and honestly, piano black just looks good, right? But you do want to definitely protect it. And so they've given you the white gloves, and that's a nice touch. It's got two drivers on it, an active and a passive driver. Both of them are 12 inches. The active driver is actually connected to the amp. It has all the electronics attached to it, all of that. but the passive driver actually uses the air inside the cabinet that pushes it in and out, and it gives you some extra bass. Now, the thing I noticed about this is the active driver has this MiniMe right here up top, while the passive driver doesn't have anything on it. So that's kind of how you denote it. The amplifier is actually over here on this side of the cabinet, so that's interesting. And to pull these grills off, it's actually kind of hard because it uses a pin and cup design, and the pins have a little ball on the end to kind of hold them in place nice and secure. So that's kind of nice, but that was just something that I noticed. As you can see, the edge of this is actually very, very thick. It's a nice grill in general. Once you take the grill off though, you can see the 12-inch driver there. You've got that earthquake sound there in the center, and it's got earthquake here, and then born in the USA all the way around it. So that's pretty cool. And then you've got those cups there. So here's the amplifier section for the P12, and it has basically everything that you're looking for. I mean, it's got a power connection, it's got frequency adjustment, volume adjustment, phase adjustment, some line level inputs. It's also got a little button here so you can turn the DSP on and off and stuff like that. So I'll try that out and see how it goes. But I am looking forward to this. Like I said, this is a nice compact 12-inch subwoofer, so I'm going to be putting this up front. I am going to test this out. I'm going to break it in for 25 or 50 hours, something like that. Then I'll start my actual testing. It's going to be a few weeks before I get this one out there because I do have a few other reviews. But drop your comments in the comment section below if you have questions, and I will try to answer them during the main review. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about this one. So I will talk to you guys later. If you want to purchase the P12 or anything else from Earthquake Sound, use those links in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. We'll talk to you next time.